Have you ever dealt with really big or really small numbers? Think about the distance to the sun or the size of an atom. These numbers are hard to write and even harder to calculate with. That's where scientific notation comes in handy. Scientific notation is like a shortcut for writing these extreme numbers. Instead of writing out all those zeros, we use powers of 10. A number like 100 billion can be written as 1 times 10 to the power of 11. Much easier, right? The 10 part represents the base and the little number above it. The exponent tells you how many times to multiply 10 by itself. In our example, 10 to the power of 11 means 10 multiplied by itself 11 times. Scientific notation always follows the same format. A number between 1 and 10, multiplied by 10 raised to some power. It's a simple system that makes working with gigantic or tiny numbers a breeze. Let's see how scientific notation plays out in the real world. Imagine you're an astronomer studying the vast distances between galaxies. The Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, is a whopping 2.5 million light-years away. Writing that distance out would be a chore. 2,500,000 light-years. But in scientific notation, it's just 2.5 times 10 to the power of 6 light-years. See how much simpler that is? Or let's dive into the microscopic world. A single strand of human DNA is about 2 nanometers wide. That's 0.000000002 meters. Trying to use a number that small in calculations would be a nightmare. But fear not, scientific notation saves the day. 2 times 10 to the power of -9 meters. Much more manageable, wouldn't you say? The beauty of scientific notation lies in its simplicity and versatility. It helps us easily compare numbers of vastly different magnitudes. For instance, it's clear to see that a star with a diameter of 10 to the power of 9 meters is significantly larger than a planet with a diameter of 10 to the power of 7 meters. The exponents tell us everything we need to know at a glance. Moreover, scientific notation prevents errors that can occur when dealing with lots of zeros. It's all too easy to accidentally drop a zero or add an extra one when writing or typing long numbers. Scientific notation eliminates this risk, ensuring accuracy in our calculations. From the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest structures in the cosmos, scientific notation helps us make sense of the universe around us. It's a powerful tool that allows scientists to express and manipulate numbers that would otherwise be unwieldy. So, the next time you encounter a mind-bogglingly large or unbelievably small number, don't be intimidated. Remember the power of scientific notation. It's a simple, yet elegant system that brings the extremes of our universe within our grasp.